Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing how I make this Chanel inspired little outfit for babies. Okay guys, so I uploaded these Chanel images, so I'm going to insert them into my Cricut design space. And I'm going to do 2 of these. So I'm going to copy, which is Control C on mine, Control V, paste. I'm going to copy and paste it. One of them is going to be for the shirt and one of them is going to be for like a logo, a little logo on the pants. So this one will be smaller. I am going to measure the shirt. So I did measure the shirts and I already know what size I want to do for these. So I'm going to do about 6 for the big logo on the shirt. And then I'm going to do, that's about how long? 7 long. So I might unlock this, which is like that little unlock button, so I can make it a little wider. I'm gonna do it like that. Oh no, I'm just messing with it, guys. So I'm gonna do like 5.7. and it's gonna be 6 long. So I don't want it too long because I want it to be able to fit on the shirt good with the Chanel. So I did measure the shirt and I'm gonna make this about 7.5 inches, maybe. We'll do like 7 actually, just to be on the safe side. And then I'm going to align these horizontally so then they're even. And then I'm going to weld them together. So then when I do have it cut, it's gonna be even, so I don't gotta worry about making it even on the shirt myself. And then this is about a good size. I might make it a little like wider. Yeah, that's about good. Cause I kind of want it like 2 inches. Maybe we'll do like 1.5. We'll do 1.7 by 2. I'll put all my measurements in the description box. So anyways, that's all I'm gonna do. Wait, maybe I might put another Chanel on the leg. Yeah, let me copy. Let me upload another Chanel. Because I want to put one on like the legging part. If you guys hear anything, Journey is getting into my stuff in my room like always. So if you hear her, that is her. So I rotated it by 90 degrees and then that's 8 long. I'm probably gonna make it, widen it up a little bit. We'll make it about 3.5. So then it's not too big. I'll put all of my measurements in the description box. So yeah, that's all I'm gonna do. This I'm not even doing. This one, not even. Okay, so then I'm just gonna do make it. Make sure you mirror it, because if you don't mirror it, then yeah, then it's gonna be a big old problem. You have to redo the whole thing, which sucks because then you waste a lot of material. I've never figured out how to like fix that, but. So guys, after I do that, I'm going to continue. I have my Cricut to custom, so then every time I do it, I have to hit everyday iron on. So then also it reminds myself to make sure everything's right and correct before just hitting go when it's already set to a thing. Also, when you are doing the iron on, make sure it is the shiny side down on the mat, so then you don't do it the wrong way, because if you do it on the other side, then you won't be able to iron it on, or it'll be backwards. So yeah, so right now I am cutting out my material. I like to cut it out first than just, you know, weeding it, because then you waste a lot of material. You can use like little bits of the material in other projects, so I just cut around my image. So now I'm just trying to find a good place to start for my weeding. This is the Siser or Siser heat transfer vinyl. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's really nice. And when you do use the heat press on it, it presses on a lot better than the Cricut heat transfer vinyl. That's what I've figured out doing all this. But yeah, pretty much you just go around the image and you're just weeding it. Like with the Cricut heat transfer vinyl, you want to be more careful than how I am here, because the Siser brand or Siser brand, it's a lot easier to like pull than the Cricut one. The Cricut one tends to like stick with the other like vinyl that you're trying to keep. So just be careful with that. But yeah, pretty much you're just gonna weed all of this. Now I am weeding the items that I'm going to press onto the pants. I don't know if you can read this, but my heat press is set to 305 and I do about 30-second time. I just kind of go with how I feel, but if you're using like the Cricut brand heat transfer vinyl, you want to do like 315. But if you don't even have a heat press, you can still do this. I used a home iron for the longest time until I could invest in this. But right now I am just like figuring out the middle of my shirt, so I fold it like in half and then I press it for about 10 seconds. Once that's done, you'll see the line that I'm talking about. It shows like the middle of the shirt. And then pretty much I'm just going to place my image that I'm going to iron on there. I'm going to try and get it in the middle as best I can. I'm going to eventually invest in one of them rulers that tells like if it's in the middle or not. But yeah, it's pretty much right here. I'm just trying to see what's the middle and what's not. And then I'm going to press this for about 10-15 seconds. Siser brand is really nice. It'll literally press within like a second to 5 seconds. That's what I like about the Siser or Siser brand, however you say it. If you're using like the Cricut brand or something like another brand, then you're going to want to do like 30 seconds to a minute and see how it is. But yeah, so right now I'm just peeling this off. If it doesn't work like one way, then try a different way, because sometimes it'll still, you know, be stuck on there. It's just a certain way is harder to pull off than another. So you pretty much just pull it off, and then I put my Teflon sheet over it. If you don't have a Teflon sheet, parchment paper works just as good. You put that back on there, and then I press it for another about 15 to 30 seconds just to make sure it's on the shirt good. Now these pants that I'm using, they have a little ruffle on the butt, so I did fold it just to make sure it pressed evenly. So pretty much I'm just estimating where to put this. It's kind of like a little top logo there, and I'm just going to set it about right, like closer to the edge of the pants. So I'm just going to press this for about 10-15 seconds, maybe 20, just because there is a little ruffle on the butt. My phone did stop recording, but I did just peel off the top and then I pressed it one more time for another 15-30 seconds. And then now I'm going to put the little Chanel on the leg there. I just kind of estimated where to put these. You can put it wherever you want. Press that one for about 10-15 seconds. And then when I'm done and I peel it off, I'm going to press it again for another 15-20 seconds just to make sure it's on there good. Guys, this is the end result. It is super cute. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and let me know what you think. If you guys want any other like name brand clothes for like babies and stuff and you want me to drop a video, let me know. Comment below. I will do that because I love how this turned out. I can do Nike, Adidas, Gucci, all of that. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up and thanks for watching.